Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you today. Thank you for joining us for this presentation on Fire and Special Perils Insurance Policy. Today, we will delve into the details of this crucial insurance policy that provides comprehensive protection against property loss. Property loss due to unforeseen events such as fire, explosion, natural disasters, or burglary can have devastating consequences, both financially and emotionally. Therefore, it is essential for homeowners, business owners, and anyone with a valuable property to understand the importance of safeguarding their assets through fire and special perils insurance. During our time together, we will explore what fire and special perils insurance entails, the coverage it offers, the claim process, as well as the benefits it provides. Additionally, we will discuss the factors that influence premiums and address any questions you may have. Property is often one of our most valuable assets, whether it's a home, a commercial building, or business equipment. Protecting these assets from unforeseen perils is crucial for our financial security and peace of mind. Fire and Special Perils Insurance acts as a safety net, offering financial assistance in the event of property damage or loss caused by fire, explosions, lightning, earthquakes, storms, floods, burglary, riots, and other specified risks. The objective of this presentation is to empower the audience with knowledge about fire and special perils insurance, enabling them to make informed decisions regarding the protection of their properties and assets. By understanding the coverage details, exclusions, and claim process, we can make informed decisions to protect our property effectively. Moreover, this insurance policy can be customized to meet specific needs, allowing for additional coverage options such as business interruption, rent loss, or temporary relocation expenses. Having fire and special perils insurance not only ensures the financial protection of your property but also enables a swift recovery from unforeseen events. For businesses, it can mean the difference between survival and closure. Additionally, premiums paid for this insurance are often tax-deductible for businesses, making it a prudent investment. Throughout this presentation, we will provide you with valuable insights into fire and special perils insurance, enabling you to make informed decisions about protecting your valuable assets. Without further ado, let us dive into the details of fire and special perils insurance and explore how it can provide comprehensive protection against property loss. Background: protecting properties from various perils is of utmost importance for several reasons. Let's highlight some of the key reasons why safeguarding our properties is crucial. Financial security. Properties, whether residential or commercial, often represent a significant investment of our hard-earned money. Protecting them from perils such as fire, natural disasters, or theft ensures that we do not face substantial financial losses in the event of an unfortunate incident. Insurance coverage acts as a financial safety net, helping to recover or replace damaged property and minimizing the financial burden on individuals and businesses. Asset protection. Our properties hold both monetary and sentimental value. Whether it's our home, business premises, or personal belongings, these assets play a crucial role in our lives. Protecting them from perils ensures the preservation of our valuable possessions and cherished memories. By having insurance coverage, we can restore or replace our assets, allowing us to rebuild our lives and businesses after a loss. Business continuity. For businesses, the impact of property damage can be severe. Disruptions caused by fire, floods, or other perils can result in operational downtime, loss of revenue, and potential customer dissatisfaction. By having appropriate insurance coverage, businesses can mitigate these risks and ensure continuity by covering the costs of repairs, replacement of equipment, and even temporary relocation. This helps businesses recover quickly, minimize financial losses, and maintain customer confidence. Peace of mind. Knowing that our properties are protected from unforeseen perils provides peace of mind. It allows us to focus on other aspects of our lives and businesses without constantly worrying about the potential financial repercussions of a significant loss. Insurance coverage provides a sense of security, knowing that we have taken proactive steps to mitigate risks and protect what matters most to us. Compliance and requirements. In many cases, protecting properties from perils is not just a choice but a legal or contractual obligation. Mortgage lenders may require homeowners to have insurance coverage to protect their investments. Similarly, landlords often require tenants to obtain insurance coverage to safeguard their rented property and belongings. Additionally, compliance with insurance requirements may be necessary to meet regulatory standards or fulfill contractual obligations with suppliers or partners. Protecting properties from various perils is crucial for financial security, asset protection, business continuity, peace of mind, and compliance. By securing appropriate insurance coverage, individuals and businesses can mitigate the potentially devastating effects of property damage, ensuring a swift recovery and minimizing the financial impact. Chapter 1. Definition of fire insurance and special perils. In this chapter, we will define fire and special perils insurance, look at risks covered under fire insurance, and define and list all the special perils under fire policy. We will also emphasize why this policy is crucial to individuals and businesses. Subtopic 1. Definition of fire and special perils. Fire and special perils insurance is a type of property insurance policy designed to provide coverage against various perils or risks that can cause damage or destruction to properties. It offers financial protection for property owners, helping them recover from losses resulting from incidents such as fire, explosion, lightning, earthquake, storm, flood, burglary, riots, and other specified risks. This insurance policy is crucial for both residential and commercial property owners, as it safeguards their assets and helps them manage the financial impact of unforeseen events. What risks are covered under fire insurance? Under a fire insurance policy, the primary risk covered is damage caused by fire. Here are the risks typically covered under fire insurance. Fire damage. Fire is the primary risk covered by this policy. It includes damages caused by flames, smoke, soot, and even the water used to extinguish the fire. Whether it's a partial or total loss, the policy provides coverage for repairing or replacing damaged property. The policy covers damages caused by fire, including destruction of property, structural damage, and damage to contents. This includes damages caused by flames, smoke, soot, and water used to extinguish the fire. Lightning strikes. Fire insurance policies often extend coverage to damages resulting from lightning strikes, including fire damage and electrical damage. Explosion. Damages caused by explosions, such as those resulting from gas leaks, chemical reactions, or industrial accidents, are covered under fire insurance. It's essential to review the policy documents carefully to understand the scope of coverage and any applicable exclusions. Definition and examples of special perils covered under the fire insurance policy. In addition to fire, this insurance policy extends its coverage to various special perils. These may include perils such as explosions, lightning strikes, earthquakes, storms, floods, burglaries, riots, strikes, malicious damage, impact damage, and more. By encompassing a wide range of risks, it offers comprehensive protection against multiple potential sources of property damage. Here is a list of definitions of these special perils typically included under a fire insurance policy. Special Peril A. Explosion. This refers to damages caused by sudden and violent explosions, such as those resulting from gas leaks, chemical reactions, or industrial accidents. Special Peril B. Lightning. Coverage for damages caused by lightning strikes, including fire damage and electrical damage. Special Peril C. Aircraft damage. Damages caused by an aircraft, including crashes or debris falling from an aircraft, are covered under this peril. Special Peril D. Impact damage. This covers damages resulting from the impact of a vehicle or falling objects, such as trees, onto the insured property. Special Peril E. Storm and tempest. Damages caused by severe weather conditions, including windstorms, cyclones, hurricanes, tornadoes, or hail, fall under this category. Special Peril F. Flood. This covers damages caused by the overflowing of water bodies, heavy rainfall, or burst pipes that lead to flooding. Special Peril G. Riot, strike, or malicious damage. Damages caused by riots, civil commotion, strikes, or acts of vandalism are covered under this peril. Special Peril H. Earthquake. Coverage for damages resulting from earthquakes, including structural damage, collapses, and associated fire risks. It's important to note that the coverage and definitions of special perils may vary depending on the specific insurance policy and its terms and conditions. Policyholders should carefully review their policy documents to understand the extent of coverage for each special peril and any applicable exclusions or limitations. Subtopic 2. Importance of fire and special perils to individuals and businesses. Fire and special perils insurance policy is not only important but essential for homeowners, business owners, and anyone with valuable property. Here are the key reasons why this policy is crucial. 1. Protection against financial loss. Properties, whether it's a home, a commercial building, or valuable assets, represent a significant investment. Fire and other perils can cause substantial financial loss in the event of property damage or destruction. Having this insurance policy ensures that the financial burden of repairing or replacing the property is mitigated. It safeguards the policyholder's financial resources and provides a safety net against unforeseen events. 2. Safeguarding valuable assets. Properties often hold sentimental value and contain valuable assets. Homeowners have cherished belongings and memories associated with their homes, while business owners rely on their commercial properties, equipment, and inventory for their livelihoods. Fire and special perils insurance protects these valuable assets, allowing homeowners and business owners to recover and rebuild in the face of property damage. 3. Business continuity. For businesses, the impact of property damage can be particularly devastating. A fire or other peril can disrupt operations, leading to downtime, loss of revenue, and potential customer dissatisfaction. Fire and special perils insurance helps businesses ensure continuity by covering the costs of property repairs, equipment replacement, and temporary relocation. It provides the financial support necessary to recover quickly, resume operations, and maintain customer confidence. 4. Peace of mind. Knowing that your property is protected against fire and various perils brings peace of mind. Property owners can rest assured that their investments are safeguarded and they have a plan in place to handle unexpected events. This peace of mind allows homeowners and business owners to focus on other aspects of their lives or operations without constantly worrying about the potential financial consequences of property loss. 5. Compliance and legal requirements. In many cases, having fire and special perils insurance is not just a choice, but a legal or contractual obligation. Mortgage lenders often require homeowners to have insurance coverage to protect their investments. Landlords may require tenants to obtain insurance to safeguard rented property. Additionally, compliance with insurance requirements may be necessary to meet regulatory standards or fulfill contractual obligations with suppliers or partners. In conclusion, fire and special perils insurance is essential for homeowners, business owners, and anyone with valuable property. It offers protection against financial loss, safeguards valuable assets, ensures business continuity, provides peace of mind, and fulfills legal and contractual obligations. Investing in this insurance policy is a prudent decision to secure one's property and financial well-being in the face of unforeseen events. This is the end of our first chapter under Fire and Special Perils Insurance. We take a small break. We will be back with Chapter 2, discussing Fire and Special Perils Insurance policy coverage details. Stay tuned for that.